Hello and welcome to this video tutorial designed to help you learn how to add or edit the qualifications listed in your Rover account. I am James Andrette, Regional Trainer for Emergency Reporting, and I will be walking you through the steps of adding or editing your qualifications that you can assign to your personnel. Once you have signed into your Rover portal, begin by hovering over Rover Settings and select Rover Admin. From here, under the Core tab, you will scroll down to where you see the list of qualifications. These are the qualifications that you can assign to your personnel that can be listed to the right of their name as they're responding. When you look at this menu list, any item that is on this list that you wish to keep, you can leave there. If you choose to edit something, in the case of some folks use a sergeant or an engineer for a driver, some use driver operator for a driver's position. If you wanted to come in and you wanted to edit an existing one, come to the right, select the pencil icon, leave the menu ID where it is, come in, select the short name. In this case, we'll just select DO, and then we'll come over and we will change the long name to driver operator. Once you have completed this task, come over, select the check mark, and save the changes that you've made. As with any of the pages, once you make any changes on the page, be sure to hit Update to save the information that you've just entered. In the event that you would like to add a new qualification to the list, come to the upper left-hand corner with a plus sign for Add a New Record. Click on that. Look and see in your menu list where you're at in your menu list, select the next available number to you. Do not duplicate any of the numbers. Come in, select the short name, and then come over to the long name. Once you're done, as before, select the check mark. Come down to the bottom of the page, hit Update, and enter in the information that you want. As you'll notice, I've duplicated both of these. In the event, like I mentioned earlier, if you would like to remove something from this list because it's not applicable within your organization, you can come in, instead of hitting the pencil icon, just hit the X mark right here. It'll ask you if you're sure you want to delete. Select OK. It will remove that from the list. Then hit Update to save any changes that you've made. As always, thank you for being a Rover customer and thank you for being an emergency reporting customer. Have a great day.